Today we're breaking down every major new feature in iOS 26.3, Apple's newest update to your iPhone. Some of these updates are big changes, some are small quality of life improvements, but you'll want to know about all of them before you hit that update button. So let's jump in. And as always, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you enjoy iOS updates and tips. First up is the Transfer to Android tool, and this one is a big deal. For the first time, Apple is building a native system that lets you move your data from an iPhone to an Android phone without using third-party apps. Here's how it works. You go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and you'll now see an option that says Transfer to Android. You place your Android phone close to your iPhone, and the two devices connect directly. From there, you can transfer things like your photos, messages, contacts, notes, call history, apps, save passwords, and even your phone number. It's not perfect yet. Some things like health data, Bluetooth pairings, and locked notes don't move over, but this is Apple and Google finally making switching phones much easier. This matters because moving from iPhone to Android used to be stressful and complicated. With iOS 26.3, it's now way more user-friendly. Next is notification forwarding, and this one quietly changes a lot. In iOS 26.3, your iPhone can forward notifications to third-party devices, not just Apple Watch anymore. That means devices like Samsung or Garmin smartwatches can now receive iPhone notifications. Before, Apple Watch was basically the only wearable that worked fully with iPhone notifications. The system only allows one connected device at a time, but it gives you more freedom to choose what device you want to use. Right now, this feature is mainly active in the European Union because of new regulations, but it's already appearing globally, which suggests Apple could expand it later. This is a big step toward Apple opening up its ecosystem instead of locking users into only Apple hardware. Now let's talk about privacy. iOS 26.3 adds a new option called Limit Precise Location. This doesn't change how apps see your location. It changes what your cellular network can know. When this is turned on, your carrier no longer gets your exact location. Instead, it only receives a rough area, like your general neighborhood. You can find this option inside Settings, then Cellular data options. In real life, this helps protect your location privacy while still allowing your phone to work normally for calls, data, and emergency services. If you care about privacy, this is a very welcome update. There are also some small but nice visual changes in iOS 26.3, especially on the lock screen. Apple has updated the weather wallpapers. The old weather and astronomy category has been split, and weather now has its own section. You get new preset weather wallpapers that show live weather conditions with updated styles and fonts. It's not a massive change, but if you like customizing your lock screen, this update definitely makes things feel fresher. Behind the scenes, Apple also made important security improvements. iOS 26.3 supports background security updates, which means Apple can push important security fixes without waiting for a full iOS update. Things like Safari and WebKit security patches can now install automatically in the background. You can choose whether these updates install automatically or manually, depending on how much control you want. You won't really see this feature, but it plays a big role in keeping your iPhone safe. There are also a few regional changes tied to new European regulations. These include things like improved accessory pairing for third-party devices and the notification forwarding feature we talked about earlier. Not every feature is available in every country right away, but it's clear that Apple is slowly loosening its ecosystem and giving users more choice. So that's everything new in iOS 26.3, from easier switching to Android, better notification support, stronger privacy controls, small design upgrades, and important security improvements. Some of these features are subtle, while others are big changes that affect how you use your iPhone every day. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future iOS updates. And let me know in the comments, which iOS 26.3 feature are you most excited about?